long time no see. I hope you're well. I am super excited because we're opening up Ipsy for September. The theme is You Got This, which I love. So sometimes you just need a reminder. As the CEO of your world, embrace every challenge with confidence, from nailing your eyeliner to acing your next project, and watch yourself level up. New groove. There's nothing like the change of seasons to spark your creativity and inspiration is all around you. Dip into an unexpected color palette, experiment with runway ready makeup looks. Sorry guys, I can't speak today. And discover new ways to express your show-stopping style. We can't wait to see. Awesome. So these were kindly sent to me free for review, not sponsored. I will link Ipsy down below. It's not affiliated or anything like that, just for your convenience if you want to subscribe. So look how metallic and fun. Here is the Ipsy Glam bag. And the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has the phrase "You Got This," which is the theme. Super cute. How about we start off with the Ipsy Plus? Oh, this is so fun. Take all the items out and put this over here. But if you guys want to see, the inside of the bag is pink. And it's got a little cute Ipsy sticker there, and it's yellow and purple. Like, it looks like it might have a little purplish reflection, monochromatic maybe. So first thing, I'm super excited. I think I've tried this once, but if not, everything I've tried by Youth to the People I loved, and I'm pretty sure I've tried this, and I recommend it if it's true, but I recommend the brand. They're really eco-friendly, sustainable. But anyways, this is the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. It's made with ashwagandha and reishi pentapeptide. 100% vegan ingredients, no animal testing, made in California, cold-pressed extracts, and it's good for all skin types, free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, PEGs, mineral oil, silicones, and artificial colors. So the ingredients, I'm going to read them when I open this up for those interested. It's very minimal. It says... Never mind, I'm not going to read the whole ingredients. It just says their ingredients are 100% vegan in a different language. I don't know if you could read this, but if someone is curious, you could screenshot or pause. And this is one you can use day and night. And yeah, I've definitely tried this before. It's really little. This is an expensive brand, but I honestly have loved everything I've tried. Super cute. Yeah, it seems like it's glass sustainable packaging. Let's move on to the next item, which I also, I like this brand. I'm using the Avocado Eye cream right now, but this is Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. You guys, I was going to do a face video today, but I had a reaction. I think my lips might be sunburned. It sounds funny, but I could probably use this around my lip area. It's irritated too, or it's from a makeup product, but anyways, I'm excited to get this. It says barriers, rescue, and redness relief. I remember a long time ago, I didn't understand the Glow recipe fad, or not. It's not even a fad, but when they first came out, people were wanting everything by them. Now I get it, because every thing I've tried, I have really liked. So, sweet. I've tried this before and my lips weren't irritated, and my lips so need it now. Seraphim Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. This is awesome. You can use it overnight, they say, but you can really use it during the day as well. It's super thick. It lasts a long time. That's what she said. An intensive overnight lip mask that envelopes the lips with shea butter and apricot kernel oil. It increases hydration, softness, and elasticity when you sleep. Yes, you guys, this came perfect timing. I didn't even realize this was in this box. I was just talking about my lips. Next up, we have Sophia and Mabel. I woke up like this Skin Perfecting Primer. So yeah, it blurs the looks of pores, so your makeup lasts for hours to come. I think I've heard of this brand before, but I've never tried that product. And then we have a full-size eyeliner. You guys, this is 2 full-size products. That's one thing I love about Ipsy Glam Bag. It's pretty affordable compared to other beauty subscriptions, and you get at least $75 or at least $50 worth of products, and sometimes full-size. And this is Ciate London Definer Liner. And it has a sharpener at the end, which is nice. And it is in, it's black, right? Let's see. Emmy's really hyper in the background, you guys. Hi. It's in Starburst. Oh, I think it might actually be in this color. I'm going to open it. Or maybe I won't. You guys, I am due for a giveaway. I haven't been announcing it, so I'm not going to put this in here. I will say in between the 2 boxes or the 2 Ipsies, then I am going to have a giveaway in this video because I still have to pick a September winner and I wasn't really active in August on my channel for a lot of reasons, but really it was mostly for good fun reasons. My family was in town twice, my friend was in town twice, like just having a lot of fun. But yeah, so I don't have a lot of videos to choose from. I choose someone at random every month by going through videos from the month prior, but we're gonna choose a winner from this video specifically. So that means like only people that are like still watching will know. But yeah, all you have to do is be a subscriber, like this video, and comment. And you can comment every day if you'd like. And I will use a random comment picker at the end of this month and send you an extra big bag because I didn't pick a winner this month. Or should I do it sooner? I'll have all the information down in the description box. But let's move on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I didn't mention this in the beginning. I'm not really talking too much about the details of Ipsy because I feel like everyone kind of knows by now. I don't know. But I'll move this here. I feel like it's really pretty. Whoa, Emmy, you are hyper. What was I saying? Yeah, so you get to customize one of the items in the Ipsy, and then 3 out of 5 of the Ipsy Plus, and Ipsy Plus is all full size. And look at, we got an Ofra palette. Let me, I'll just keep everything in the bag for this one. Signature palette, Symphony. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Ooh, pretty. So you get 5 shades. There are 3 mattes, 1 shimmer, and 1, or I guess 2 shimmers, but they look like they're little different formulas. This is like their highlighter formula, and there is a mirror there. Really nice. Pretty. So this will be going in the giveaway. I want you guys to know at least one of the items. So I think this is really exciting. I love Ofra. Yay! So starting out really well. You guys have to let me know if you get Ipsy yourself. Ooh, what did you pick out this month? Or what are you getting? Are you happy with your Ipsy bags? And next, I'm really excited. I am always in need of sponges. This is the Quick Beat Makeup Sponge. Flirtatious Looks, is that the brand? Let's see what it looks like. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand, but I'm excited. Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. Ooh, I love that it's red. And I really like that it has a flat surface. So it has like 3 different types of surfaces on it. Awesome. And it feels really nice. I'm really excited about this. Yay. And then we have by Serum Institute. I have these. I'm almost out. Perfect. Transport. These are little exfoliating wipes. They're non-abrasive. I don't use them every night, but to be honest, usually I use them when I do like a double cleanse with wipes. When I'm kind of lazy. Just being completely transparent, but I do like it. It makes my skin feel really clean. It says here, soft cotton pads infused with MDTS exfoliate dead cells on skin surface, unclogging blocked pores while delivering highly energized vitamins, thus improving resiliency, hydration, and encouraging cell renewal. Awesome. I think these are expensive. Now we have mascara by Araceli Beauty. This is Monarcha. Oh, is there a butterfly in that? Pretty mascara made with avocado oil. Ooh, so it's moisturizing. I bet this helps your lashes grow as well. Cool. Let's look at the, I'm not going to look at the wand, but I'm curious. It has a butterfly on it. So pretty. I really like this. I had a feeling. I'm like, I have to take it out. And some of you guys might be curious too. Sorry, I haven't done a try-on type video in a while. Or like, yeah, face video in a while. I plan to pretty soon. But anyways, this is the YC collection. We got some brushes. Looks like there's 3 brushes in here. There's 2 eye brushes, like a blender brush and a packing brush, and then a highlight brush. I'm not going to open these because these will go in the giveaway as well. And they have like pink ferrule something here. Awesome. So that was everything. Oops, sorry, I just hit the. That was everything in the 2 Ipsy bags for September. I think they're great. I'm really excited about this sponge. And I'm excited for the, okay, yeah, the skincare and the Ipsy Glam bag. And I'm really excited to be able to share some of this with you guys. I know I've been absent and I apologize. I think I'll probably have the giveaway end sooner than next month because I want to do another winner then too. So how about we have this open till the 15th of September. And again, all you should have to do is comment, be a subscriber, like this video, And yeah, I missed you guys. Let me know how you're doing. I love you so much. Again, Ipsy will be linked down below. Please enter the giveaway because I really want to give back to you guys. And I feel bad that I haven't been posting, and I don't want to, yeah, we're definitely going to have a winner on October 1st as well. So September 15th, everything will be in the description box if I was confusing it all, but hopefully it's simple and straightforward, and it's open to all subscribers. It doesn't matter where you live. So yeah, love you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.